This bracket became unbonded from the top of my GE Profile dishwasher, which of course holds some of the spraying arms onto the top of the dishwasher. And of course it causes havoc inside the dishwasher when the spinner becomes detached. So I'm going to attempt to rebond it using JB Weld, see how it goes. I removed the top rack and of course all of this spraying mechanism out of the way so I can do the bonding. Stay tuned. Alrighty, it's glued. Now we wait 24 hours to see if it's stuck. If it doesn't, I go home.